Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining Honda's session. And my name is Akira Komiya from Hydrogen Business Development Division from Honda, Japan. So first, I would like to extend my gratitude to the government of Kerala for their strong commitment and strong leadership towards driving hydrogen policy and initiatives. And I would also like to thank Annette for giving this wonderful opportunity to speak in front of wonderful audiences. So I would like to tell you one thing. I think you are very lucky today. Why? Because you are going to listen to my first public speech in my life. Thank you. And actually, my Apple Watch is telling me that I have my high heart rate. So please listen gently. And your kind question will be welcome. But if you have hard question, please go to our website and submit your question. Thank you. So today, I would like to talk about Honda's roadmap for carbon neutrality through hydrogen business. So before going to the main topic, I would like to briefly talk about our corporate profile. So Honda was established in 1948. Its headquarters is based in Tokyo, and we have over 200,000 associates globally. And you might think that Honda is only doing two-wheelers and four-wheelers. But actually, we are also manufacturing other products, such as power products for marine, farming, and other applications. And we are also manufacturing even aircrafts. So this is our business in Japan, sorry. Honda has been operating in India for 40 years. So I would say for Honda, India is one of the most important markets for us. And if you look at the number of the production capacity, we have a strong hold in India, as well as a strong hold for exporting our products to outside of India. So at Honda, we are committed to two fundamental values. One is environmental sustainability and safety. So for environment, we are targeting to achieve carbon neutrality by 2050. For safety, we are aiming to achieve zero traffic collision fatality involving Honda's product. So we are also targeting to achieve zero environmental impact by carbon neutrality and resource circulation and utilization of clean energy. So, of course, we are going to utilize clean energy, clean electricity to achieve carbon neutrality. But at the same time, we are positioning hydrogen and carbon as a promising energy carrier. And we believe that hydrogen will play a crucial role for carbon neutrality. So now let's move on to our main topic today. So hydrogen cycle starts with production of hydrogen, followed by storage and transportation and utilization of hydrogen. So Honda leveraged its core technology of fuel cell for different applications for utilization of hydrogen, including passenger vehicles, commercial vehicles, construction machineries, and other applications as well. So those are our target domain for our hydrogen business. So of course, we are looking at mobility and logistics markets. But at the same time, we are also looking at data center, factory warehouses, ports, and airport segment. And we are actually conducting some demonstration with our partners for those targeted domains in Japan and outside Japan as well. So now let's take a deep dive into our fuel cell technology and explore the broader business opportunity it presents. So Honda has distinguished history of development of fuel cell with its foundational research dating back to 1980s. Most recently, in 2024, we just launched CRV EFCEV for Japanese and the American market. Compared to the previous model generation of fuel cell module, we have achieved the cost down by 1/3. We increased durability by double, and we have a significant improvement for low temperature resistance. So with the current generation of our fuel cell, we are proposing our module not only to passenger vehicle. We are also proposing to commercial vehicles, truck and bus, construction machinery, and stationary power gensets. And by connecting our module, you can achieve higher power output. And we believe that fuel cell technology will offer advantages over battery solutions in some use cases where larger energy capacity is required, for example. So those are some demonstrations which we are conducting in commercial vehicle segment. So in Japan, we have partnership with Isuzu Motors. In China, with Dongfeng Motors. In America, we did in-house testing for commercial vehicle with our fuel cell. And we are seeing promising performances of fuel cell technologies in those demonstrations. So Honda is now extending its fuel cell technology beyond mobility domain. We are currently developing a stationary power genset that utilize Honda's fuel cell technologies, which is mainly for America and Japan market. So this generator is designed for emergency power supplies, with each unit providing 250 kilowatt, including 4 fuel cell modules inside. By connecting multiple units, higher output can be achieved. Of course, this is a zero emission, and it's very compact, and it can start up within 10 seconds. And we are going to comply with several standards, such as ANSI or IEC. So if you apply our fuel cell technology for power gensets, you will have zero emission. At the same time, you will have stable and clean energy, even at night time. So I think this point was mentioned at some of the speeches, previous speeches today. So you will have stable and clean energy at night to charge electric vehicle, for example. So in my final part of my presentation, I would like to introduce Honda's next generation of fuel cell. So in December 2024, we just announced the establishment of a new production facility for next generation of fuel cell. So this is going to be the first facility dedicated to production of the fuel cell module, which is developed independently by Honda. And we are going to have this plant operated by 2027 or early 2028. Its annual production capacity will be around 30,000 units. So this is our next generation of fuel cell module that will be produced at the new factory in Japan. Compared to the current generation of module, we have achieved significant improvement in several areas, including we achieved the tripling power density and durability increased more than double, and we have succeeded in cost reduction by half. So thank you for listening, and I think everyone must be hungry and you are waiting for the lunch, so let me finish my presentation here. And we look forward to building carbon neutrality society in India with you. So if you have any question, please feel free to contact me. You can scan, you can scan the QR code and contact me. So thank you again.